Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Lesson with Esha. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel because this video is gonna be very interesting for you. Come on, let's start the video. January. You can also learn the spellings. February. February. The third one is March. March. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. April. May. May. June. June. July. July. August. August. September. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. October. October. November. November. December. December. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and stay connected with us for more videos. Thank you.